Hey everyone, if one of your Google Chrome extensions suddenly stopped working on your PC, yeah, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several quick fixes that usually solve the problem. First, try the simplest thing. Close Google Chrome completely, then reopen it. This alone can refresh stuck extensions. Click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Make sure your extension is actually enabled. Next, enable Developer mode at the top right, then click Update. Outdated extensions often break after Chrome updates. Now check if Chrome itself needs an update. Open the three-dot menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Still not working? Go to Privacy and Security, click Clear Browsing Data, and remove cached images and cookies. Some extensions only work on specific websites. Click Details on the extension and verify site access settings. If you have many extensions installed, disable others temporarily. Yeah, extension conflicts are pretty common. Next, remove the problematic extension, then reinstall it from the Chrome Web Store. If nothing worked, go to Reset Settings and restore Chrome to default. This fixes deeper configuration issues. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your Chrome extension working again. Thanks for watching.